I'm Henry Cole Construction. First met him 22 years ago on the job site. Ferguson Heating and Air was the heat and air contractor, and I've enjoyed working with Ferguson through the years. We had a friendship from the beginning. You could just tell they're good quality people and cared about what they were doing. You know, a heat and air system is a very technical system in that it has to be calculated correctly and has to be installed correctly for the home to perform. So, I mean, I wouldn't hesitate to recommend them to anyone for their professionalism, honesty, and just quality work. Good, solid company that partners with me and has my interest in mind. You know, they really look after you.